In a large bowl, toss the pork pieces with cornstarch until evenly coated. Heat vegetable oil in a deep pan or wok over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the coated pork pieces in batches and cook until they are golden brown and crispy. Remove the cooked pork and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to absorb excess oil. In the same pan, add a bit more oil if needed and sauté the bell pepper, onion, and carrot for a few minutes until they become slightly tender. In a separate bowl, whisk together the ketchup, white vinegar, brown sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, tomato paste, garlic powder, ginger powder, salt, and pepper. Pour this sauce mixture into the pan with the vegetables. Add the pineapple chunks to the pan and stir everything together. Allow the sauce to come to a simmer. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with a little water to make a slurry. Add this slurry to the pan and stir well to thicken the sauce. If you prefer a thicker sauce, repeat this step with an additional tablespoon of cornstarch. Once the sauce has thickened, return the fried pork to the pan and stir until the pork is coated in the sauce. Cook for a few more minutes until the pork is heated through. Serve the sweet and sour pork over steamed rice and garnish with chopped green onions. Enjoy your homemade sweet and sour pork.